Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your passive income streams with Investopedia, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Investopedia website. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type in passive income streams and hit enter. Browse through the search results for relevant articles. Click on the article that best fits your needs. Read through the introduction to understand the topic. Highlight any key points about passive income you find useful. Scroll down to find examples of passive income streams. Take notes on the most common streams mentioned. Look for sections on how to improve these income streams. Pay special attention to tips and strategies shared. Identify any potential flaws in your current income streams. Make a list of areas you want to improve. Research recommended tools or resources linked in the article. Evaluate whether these resources fit your budget and goals. Consider exploring additional articles for broader insights. Once you gather all information, create an action plan. Set attainable goals for each income stream you want to fix. Monitor your progress on a weekly basis. Adjust your strategies based on the results you observe. Finally, stay updated with Investopedia for new tips and trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.